On Monday, Citibank reaffirmed its buy rating on NIO shares, maintaining a price target of $8.10. Currently trading at $4, analysts indicate that the stock is undervalued relative to its fair value, despite NIO's company valuation at $9 billion. Following the Shanghai Auto Show, Citi's analyst anticipates that NIO will introduce the new models in the lineup sooner than the market expects. These new vehicles are projected to benefit from the reduced bill of materials costs and cost-saving activities. The analysts have observed a recent increase in orders and have initiated a 30-day positive catalyst watch on NIO Stock, based on three factors: the launch of new models, the introduction of advanced driver assistance systems, and enhanced cost savings. Citi's analysis suggests that NIO could potentially achieve deliveries of 63,000 units in the second quarter, marking a 50% quarter-over-quarter increase. This momentum is expected to continue, with projections of 100 to 20,000 units in the third quarter and 120 to 150,000 units in the fourth quarter. Forecasts further indicate a significant re-rating of NIO's fiscal year 2026 volume, up to 600,000 units, an increase from the current forecast of 456,000 units. This revision reflects the analyst's confidence in NIO's growth trajectory and operational efficiencies. The positive outlook from Citibank comes as NIO continues to expand its product lineup and enhance its technological capabilities in the hyper-competitive Chinese EV market. In other recent developments, NIO reported a notable 14% increase in vehicle deliveries for March, totaling over 15,000 vehicles, a significant rise from the previous month. This growth also reflects a year-over-year increase of 26.7%, indicating steady demand for NIO's premium EVs. Additionally, the Chinese battery giant CATL is reportedly in negotiations to acquire a controlling stake in NIO's power unit, which operates over 3,000 battery swapping stations in China. The details of the potential deal remain unconfirmed, but it follows a previous investment by CATL into NIO Power. And NIO has begun layoffs in its European operations, focusing on the design and R&D departments as part of a global effort to reduce operational costs by 25%. Macquarie has maintained its neutral rating on NIO with a price target of $4.70, citing concerns about the company's financial situation, including a decrease in cash reserves and the potential need for additional capital raising. Macquarie think that despite a recent cash injection, NIO may continue to face challenges with negative free cash flow in the fiscal year 2025. In other news, Deutsche Bank recently shared their delivery preview. According to analysts, NIO is expected to report retail sales of 25,000 units in April, up 60% year-on-year and up 66% since March. Deliveries for NIO's three brands, NIO, ONVO and Firefly, are expected to be 20,000 units, 4,400 units and 600 units respectively. And NIO's new order flow for the full month of April is estimated to grow 80% sequentially to about 36,000 units, according to local dealer feedback. NIO, ONVO and Firefly had new orders of 22,000, 7,000 and 7,000 units respectively in April. Firefly launched its first model on April the 19th and deliveries started a few days later. NIO delivered over 15,000 vehicles in March, up 26% from 11,866 in the same month last year, and up 14% from 13,192 in February, according to the data released on April the 1st. The deliveries included over 10,000 vehicles under the NIO main brand and 4,800 vehicles under ONVO. So, this is all positive news for NIO, with deliveries picking up well. Looking at the share price, we can see that buyers have come back in since the $3 low during the first week of April. Last week, NIO increased by around 20%, and it looks like it's heading towards the $5 level, corresponding to the underside of the trend line. With earnings due on June the 5th, if price hits the $5 zone at this time, a positive earnings report could trigger a breakout to the upside, possibly moving up towards the analyst's prediction of $8. If you have enjoyed my analysis of NIO, please subscribe to the channel for more videos. And if you want a detailed price analysis for the whole month of April, watch this video next.